With this simple technique, I turned the letter I into this artwork, a Gothic spirit design. So make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative art videos like this. I started by turning the top dot or the little ball into the face. Then I added small horns and it immediately began to take shape. After that, I drew the eyes and kept the face simple without adding too many details. Next, I drew the hood covering the head and body. I kept the lines uneven to give it a mysterious, lightly gothic look, not too perfect, just natural. Once the base sketch was done, I outlined everything to make the design clean and bold. This part really brings the drawing to life. For coloring, I use black for the inner body and red for the hood. This blend gives a unique contrast and makes the whole artwork stand out beautifully. And that's how I turned a simple letter I into this Gothic spirit character. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it and make sure to subscribe to Color Vision for more relaxing and creative drawing videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.